Hi, we've got a BMW 4 Series convertible here today. So what we've done, we've upgraded the speedometer on this BMW 4 Series from the original analog to a full digital speedometer, so we'll give you an idea of what the old one looks like. Here is the new digital speedometer, fully fitted, which completely transforms the interior of the BMW 4 Series and brings it up to more modern times, like you would with a new car. It's a complete transformation on that. The sleek display comes alive, turning the dashboard into a dance of pixels and light. A spectacle of modern engineering that not only enhances the visual allure, but promises to redefine your driving experience. It's completely different altogether. It goes off, so if I boot it up now, completely different. Alright guys, so if you're going to transform the look of your car, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. It's 0208 554 5554. Look at the difference, old and new one. Wow, it's crazy guys. Give us a call if you want your speedometer upgraded. Thanks for watching guys, and subscribe our channel for latest updates.